Hello everybody. So today I need to find the sum of the series. So the first thing I need to add about n. Later that we need to minus about n. This one we can do about factorization. So this one divide by n plus 3, we have number 1. This one divide by n, we have number 1. So we have like this. So now, if I put n equals to number 1, we have 1 minus 1 over 4. If I put number 2, we have negative 1 over 5. This one, that is about 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6. And this one we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 7. And so on in here. So if we look carefully, this one cancel this one. So that means the value from here, they will be cancelled. And so that means we just have only number 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3. Because from here they cancel from this one. Similar, this one they cancel into this one. So that means we just got only number 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. And this one we got 11 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.